This afternoon, we're going to be test driving and then checking out this 1968 Mustang Convertible. I love these 7s and 8s Mustangs.
Man, that was a really nice smooth shift. Another smooth shift going into third. Here's your brakes. Brakes are a little hard. Yeah, we'll get that fixed. The boys missed that one. That one will have to go on the sold ticket. As far as what works and what don't work, power top works perfect. Alpine, really nice radio down here. Heater fan works. Wipers work, blades are new. Gas gauge works, alternator works. Oil pressure is just at half at an idle, doing real good there. Temperature gauge we don't know yet. We'll check that out here a little later. Really runs good though. Besides that power booster, really good shape. Also the horn will work as well, doll. That horn ring right here, I was using it the other day and somebody had fixed it, so I just bought a brand new one. So we'll take this off, put the brand new one on there.
Nice. Yeah, I like the looks of this car a lot with those wheels. 68 Mustangs are just good looking cars in general.
Drives perfectly straight. Kick down work good as well. And the brakes are going to stop nice and straight as soon as we get that booster working, right?
Absolutely.
They stop good and straight. They're just harder than hell to push down right now.
So make sure I'll be taken care of. But nice Mustang. I'm excited to go around it and show these guys under the hood. Here is the 1968 Mustang Convertible. Awesome car. Great stance and look, and I love those wheels.
Sounds good too, don't it? Really solid car underneath. Just overall great car. Get it. Looks nice under there, don't it?
Under the hood was done really well.
Yeah, power steering and brakes. Is this the one we had a bunch of pictures of the restoration?
A ton of pictures of the restoration when it was done.
Yeah, it was done a long time ago because I know that looks like it's been done a little bit ago, and it was perfect when it was done. I remember seeing pictures of the motor all painted up and stuff. So, but like we always say, we like to buy one that's been done quite a while ago, just because you know what you're buying. You know, if you had one done yesterday, you just never know what's gonna happen. Power steering, power brakes, 289. We're gonna give it another little tune-up, doll. I was just talking to the guys. You know, new plug wires and stuff we're gonna get done on the final checkout, but really drives good down the road. Front bumper, grill, that kind of stuff. It was all replaced during restoration years ago. Looks good. You can't get much better than a red on red 67 or 68 Mustang Convertible, you know? Yeah. Everyone can relate to them. Back of the hood lines up, top of the door, fender, cowl. The top of the dash is great. Is our fun meter kind of running out?
I think it's been a long day. I think sorry, this video's probably not the most entertaining thing. Our fun meters
sorry, guys. All right, fun meter's back up.
Yeah.
It ain't the car's fault. The wheels and tires are fantastic. Disc brakes on the front. Just a gorgeous car. We do have absolutely nothing. A little bit of nothing compound right there. Yeah, it looked like a scratch. Top of the door lines up. Nice even gap here all the way to the bottom. Bottom of the fender and door all looks great. Door fits the quarter panel really nicely. Tires are great. I love the wheels. They're something a little different than we have here at Coyote Classics. Usually they come in on these Mustangs.
I'll use them again. We'll use them again on a Mustang.
Yeah, definitely. I like it. We'll see how fast it sells. If no one buys it for a while, we probably won't go. But I like them.
I like it a lot.
The trim on the back bumper, gas cap, all that was replaced during restoration. As Dalton mentioned before, we've had a ton of nice straight Mustangs on our videos today, really good ones. As far as the interior goes, the front seats are really nice. We do have a new horn ring. I ordered a new one. The one was busted on that one, so we got a new one coming. Carpet, floor mats are great. Seat belts in the front and rear.
And this black deal here. This is removable. Yep.
Okay. Velcro down if you want to get rid of that, if you want to keep it pure looking, but I'll tell you what, it's very comfortable to use.
It makes it nice.
Yeah.
Got a little dirt.
Yeah, it does. We just drove her. Yes, she does. A little dirt there, no bubbles or any issues, rock chips. How about that door, though? Will that close a little better or not? Probably didn't shut that very good. Try to shut it one time. Yeah, it's just that door edge guard, ain't it?
Yeah, it's just the door edge guard.
Yeah, door fits great.
The door actually fits, yeah, you said perfect.
Over the wheel well is awesome. It's kind of deceiving, so it's just a little door edge guard right there, but door doesn't fit bad at all here on the bottom. Again, nice driver. I mean, not a trailer queen, but a beautiful little driver you can pop into a car cruise, car show, and be proud of. Does have a remote mirror as well. 70,919 miles.
If you're looking for a convertible, now's the time. We got some sunshine left, and this is a beautiful one to have. So check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section of the video if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.